All right. So we're continuing with the materials parts. Let's Alt H so everything comes back, and we're gonna do all these little ones. You're more than welcome to stay for this video just so you have a little more refresher on how to add materials. But if not, you can just skip this one. All right. So let's see. We want this to have its own material, and it's gonna be grayish, right? But we also want maybe a metallic tone to it, or roughness. Oh, decrease in roughness makes it shinier. So yeah, so we mess around with these. That's fine. And then let's see, add a material. We want two materials for this. One is for the base, for everything around it, and we're just gonna do like a nice brownish color. Right, and then we're also gonna add in the material, and that's gonna be the material for the mirror. So with this selected right here, go to edit mode, and then we're gonna select this face right here, and then select this material, and then assign it to that. And we are going to do white, and we are going to do subsurface roughness, decrease, metallic. It's not bad. All right, and then we're going to keep on doing that. So this and this, we kind of want the same material to be shared. So select what you want to be copied into, and then select what you're copying. So this, and then Control L, link materials. Okay, there we are. Same thing with this. We want a base of something like this. All right. Same thing with the doors. Oh, what's it called? We want this base color. Let's actually have it all be the same base color. This X, Control C. And then these doors, they're separate. So new color. We want them to be a little darker. And then we're just gonna link them. Control P with link materials. All right, nice. The top here, we are gonna want it like a white, or we can maybe a black. Maybe it's to signify like marbling or something. So tab edit mode. We're gonna select these faces. And again, if you need to isolate things, go ahead. Oh, we need a new material. All right. Oh, we can also do it like that. Nice. And then new. Darker. That's nice. Let's see. E. Oh. Oh, let's go to. Oh, we're just selecting it. Then just E a little bit. And let's select this, and then oh. Huh. Yeah, let's isolate this because we want to. Shift H. Oh, bring back the light. Tab edit mode. And then we'll select this material and assign it. And then tab, object mode, Shift Alt H to bring everything back. Alright, that is better. Alright. Then this material for this, we want it to be a little more metallic. So bring the metallic up and then the roughness down to make it a little shinier. Yeah. Or I guess up. Alright, so let's change this up. Metallic. See. Oh, and if you change the original material like we are, as you can see, whatever was copied is also updating. So yeah. All right, and then this it's just white, so we can just leave it as is, but let's add a material for it. So it's just this, and we can make it shinier too. Ooh, like that, yeah. And then we're gonna just copy this material, Control L, link materials, and then same thing for the bottom and this. Oh. Control L, link materials again, and then this. Control L. Actually, we're not going to do that. We're going to make this a different material altogether. It's going to be a little darker because that's what's going to be used to flush. All right, sweet. We got a nice little scene for a restroom. Next video, we are going to do some renders. What do you call it? We're gonna mess with like the render settings, and yeah. Then we might work with a little bit of the lighting, so you can see like how to best put it together, so you can get a really nice render. But yeah, next video, render settings, lighting, and then actually rendering. So thanks for putting up with me for so long, and I hope these little videos help.